galing sa Lasal. We're just going to conduct a survey sa inyo for our school project. Napapasagutan naman sa inyong few questions. And we hope nakasagutin ito honestly. Okay. Sinagot mo dito sa why did you choose to take this specific course? You said, I see a lot of opportunities to evaluate a course and to have knowledge in different field of job. So, anong different field of jobs na gusto mo apply?
Kasi for nasa BPO company.
Or the advantages of having a national certificate from testing. You said that the advantages of having a certificate from TESDA is that it will lend you a job here and abroad. So after this short course, you plan on applying for a good job.
Actually, I'm planning to apply here sa chose this because someday you want to establish my competition. So before you do that, you also apply for competitions. You said you wanted to establish your own competition. Why do you want to establish?
Actually, kaya ako nag-aral ng entrance na engineering kasi may class mag-establish yung coffee shop is coming in January. Ayun, so matutulungan ko siya. So, ang layo na ng course ko. So, parang ano siya rin, hindi madali.
Conduct more free training in different brands. Merge na yun.
Kasi di ba free training case na prestige na tayo natin.
So, sabi niyo po dito na kailangan improve. What do you mean by dapat improve?
Yung mga gamit mo kasi yung ano po, pag kailangan ko sa halimbawa sa bagong imbag ko, pag kailangan ko kasi ng gamit, kinukumarin ko kasi ng gamit dito. Example ko yung espresso machine. May assessment po sila doon, then kailangan ko ng gamit, kaya kinuha ko yung espresso machine namin.
So, dapat mabasa lang yung, yung coffee, yung coffee grind. Yan.
So, let's say na consume mo na yung glowing time na
30,
45 seconds.
45.
Pakita mo yung pag-tour mo.
Okay, tayo sa.
Okay, so, ngayon,
Patensya lang sa patensya lang nila.
Yung mga 3 spoon, 3 spoon na spoon.
Ayaw mo yan. Control yung hit.
Sorry naman.
Parang hindi siya tumataas.
Mainit na. Baka mas mainit na yung ulo ko dyan. Diba? Kasi nag-over.
Hindi na nalaman. Hindi na sagot.